Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are facing Instagram calling is not working problem, don't worry about it. In this video I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. When you are facing this problem, first check your internet connection problem. If your internet is working properly, then follow the next step. If it is not, then fix the internet issue and check the problem. The next step is go to the Play Store, click on the app option and then go to the search and search here Instagram. Now update your Instagram. If it is available, then update it, otherwise follow the next step. Next is long press on your Instagram app, then go to the app info and then click on the storage and cache. Now once clear cache and one clear storage. After doing this step, again log in your Instagram account and check the problem. If it is persist, then next is check for the user account restriction or the server outage. If calls only fail with one specific person, you may be the restricted or block you. Also sometimes Instagram server are down under in maintenance, which prevented call globally. So by this way you can fix the Instagram calling problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching the next video.